Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Future Phone Flash, your ultimate hotspot for diving into the future of mobile technology. Here, we're all about unboxing the latest gadgets, exploring cutting-edge features, and giving you the insider scoop on what's next in the world of smartphones. So, if you're passionate about staying ahead of the tech curve, you're in the right place. Let's get the excitement rolling and dive into today's tech extravaganza. Samsung continues to set the pace in the smartphone industry with its dual-release strategy, keeping the Galaxy S and Galaxy Z series at the forefront of innovation. Despite the Galaxy Note's departure, Samsung's enthusiasm hasn't waned, as evidenced by the recent Galaxy S24 series launch and the anticipation building for the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 unveilings later this year. The spotlight is currently on the Galaxy Z Flip 6, with exciting updates about its battery capacity. Leaks suggest it will boast larger batteries than its predecessor, featuring a dual battery system with a combined rated capacity of 3,887 mAh, hinting at a possible advertised capacity of 4,000 mAh. This upgrade from the Z Flip 5's 3,700 mAh capacity promises longer battery life, keeping users powered up for more of their day. As for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, details remain under wraps, but expectations are high for similar enhancements. Samsung is not just focusing on battery life but also on improving the user experience with new AI features, taking cues from the Galaxy S24 series. The upcoming foldables, including the Z Flip 6, are rumored to incorporate significant advancements in AI, leveraging the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor for on-device AI capabilities. Design-wise, both devices are expected to showcase Samsung's commitment to durability with the introduction of the Ion Flex technology, signaling even stronger internal displays. This move is part of Samsung's effort to solidify the reputation of its foldable devices as both innovative and resilient. The Z Flip 6, in particular, is generating buzz with its 6.7-inch foldable AMOLED display, expected improvements in brightness and durability, and a dual-camera setup promising high-quality photography. With a launch price rumored around $1,050 and a release date in August 2024, the Z Flip 6 is shaping up to be a significant update, appealing to both new users and those considering an upgrade. As we inch closer to the launch, the tech community is abuzz with anticipation. Samsung's Galaxy S24 series is now making waves worldwide, and all eyes are now on what's next: the Galaxy Z Fold and Flip 6. With a reveal date set for July, the rumor mill is buzzing about what these next-gen foldables will bring to the table. Recent reports suggest a bit of a twist in the tale for the Z Fold 6. Instead of sporting the advanced camera tech from the S24 Ultra as many hoped, it seems Samsung might stick to the 50-megapixel main camera seen in the Z Fold 5. This comes from Galaxy Club, hinting at a continuation rather than a leap to the rumored 200-megapixel sensor. The Z Fold 6 is also expected to keep its 12-megapixel ultra-wide and 10-megapixel cover display front camera, along with the 4-megapixel under-display camera. Zooming capabilities are likely to stay in line with the Z Fold 5, featuring a 10-megapixel 3x optical telephoto lens, keeping the high-end zoom tech exclusive to the S Ultra series. In an exciting turn, Samsung has also dropped hints about a foldable and rollable tablet through a patent reveal. This device promises a mix of folding and rolling mechanisms, allowing for a compact tablet experience that can adapt to various user needs. Imagine a Galaxy Z Fold lookalike that can extend its display on demand, offering everything from a quick glance screen to a full-sized tablet view. As the release of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 approaches, the buzz around Samsung's innovative foldable and rollable tech is undeniable. These developments are a clear sign of Samsung's dedication to pushing the boundaries of foldable devices, offering users more versatility and cutting-edge features. What are your thoughts on Samsung's latest foldable ventures? Are you excited about the possibility of a foldable and rollable tablet? If it is worth the wait for my Regular viewers, you guys have seen this. So just skip to the next video, but if you're new here, then hit subscribe now. The buzz around the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is off the charts, and the rumor mill is churning out some pretty exciting stuff. The biggest talk of the town? A major camera upgrade might be in the works, and we're here for it. TechRadar and the tech-savvy folks over at XDA Developers are hinting that the Z Fold 6 could snag some of the camera magic from the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Just picture it. A whopping 200-megapixel main camera that could leave the Z Fold 5's 50-megapixel camera in the dust. This means not just more pixels but bigger sensors for better light capture and those dreamy blurred backgrounds everyone loves. But here's the catch. Squeezing such top-notch camera tech into a foldable phone is no small feat, especially with battery and design constraints. Yet, the excitement can't be dampened, especially with rivals like OnePlus and Google's Pixel Fold showing off their sleek designs. If rumors hold true, the Z Fold 6 isn't just getting a camera boost but also a wider screen and a sleeker look, which could really shake things up. The Z Fold 5 already has a stellar display, so any extra improvements are just going to be the cherry on top. I'm dying to know what you think about these rumored Z Fold 6 upgrades. How do you see them changing the game for foldable phones? Will the new camera and display features be game changers? Thanks for tuning in to Future Phone Flash. We hope you enjoyed today's tech journey as much as we did. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future tech flashes. Your support fuels our passion for tech, and we can't wait to bring you more thrilling updates from the smartphone universe. Until next time, keep flashing forward into the future of tech.